Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you how you can simply record a meeting in Google Meet. So let's start. So I can record a meeting in Google Meet on your phone, Android or whatever. So let's just rejoin the meeting. What you want to do, it doesn't matter if you have iPhone or if you have, like, I don't know, whatever program. So what you want to do is just simply find some recorder, like the recorder, or I don't know, let's go to Google Play. Record master, whatever recorder, and record the screen while it's actually the meeting is going on. I didn't know that Among Us is on a. Damn. So this is pretty much how you do it, and you just record it, and then you got it. And you want to record also with the iPhone, it's possible to record the screen. And yeah, so thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day everybody, and goodbye.